Alright guys, so first we're going to start with the sauce. In a small bowl, you need a half cup of mayonnaise, a fourth cup of Thai sweet chili sauce, and a fourth teaspoon of sriracha. I used a fourth cup because I like it a little more on the spicy side. And then you're going to stir that up until it's all blended nicely together. In another bowl, you're going to add a half cup of buttermilk to 1 pound of shrimp. And you're going to stir to make sure all the shrimp are coated. Next, you're going to remove the shrimp from the buttermilk and let the excess liquid drain away. Then you're going to coat the shrimp with 3/4 cup of cornstarch. In a pan, you'll add 2 to 3 inches of oil and heat it to 375 degrees. Fry the shrimp until lightly brown. 5 minutes, 2.5 minutes on each side. Once fried, coat with the sauce and serve immediately.